Several Pakistani nationals stranded at the Atari border near Amritsar crossed over into Pakistan on Friday following the expiry of the Indian government's deadline for them to leave the country. Prahlad, a Pakistani citizen, had come to India with his entire family to perform the last rites of his father. He had arrived at the border on Wednesday evening only to find the border gates shut. Stranded at the crossing point for 2 days, he was allowed to cross over to Pakistan on Friday. Authorities had completely shut the Atari-Wagah border on Thursday, leaving many anxious Pakistani citizens in the country. Reportedly, about 70 Pakistani nationals were stranded at the border on Thursday after the border gates were shut by authorities. Many of them had been camping on the roads outside the integrated checkpost. After authorities opened the border again, many Pakistani nationals took the opportunity to leave for their home country. Namra, an Indian national married to a Pakistani, seemed excited at the prospect of being reunited with her husband and 2 children back home.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है अपनी बच्ची के पास चली जाऊंगी इससे बढ़ के क्या खुशी हो सकती है मां की.
However, for those holding an Indian passport, the situation remained anxious as they claimed they were not allowed to go to Pakistan despite having their families there. Other women from India who are married into Pakistani families also claimed that they were not being allowed to leave through the Atari-Wagah border to rejoin their families in Pakistan. Many were seen pleading with authorities to allow them to cross the border.
मेरी पाकिस्तान में कराची में शादी हुई है 2 साल पहले हुई है. मैं अभी 2 महीने पहले आई हूँ यहाँ पे. 2 महीने पहले आई थी. हमारी अम्मी की तबीयत नहीं सही थी, फिर मैं आई थी. बस हमारा पासपोर्ट ब्लू है और हम नूरी वीज़ा वाले हैं और नूरी वीज़ा वाले को अभी परसों अलाउ किया, फिर हमें क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं. मैं बस इतना चाहती हूँ कि भाई रूल हर किसी के लिए एक होना चाहिए, चाहे वो मैं हूँ या वो कोई और. जब अगर नूरी वीज़ा वालों को और को दी है ना एंट्री, तो हमें भी एंट्री दें. बोल रहे हैं हम तो खोलने को तैयार है, वो नहीं खोलने को तैयार है. मैं कहती हूँ आप हमें अंदर जाने दीजिए, आप हमें अंदर जाने दीजिए. हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे, आप यहाँ से अलाउ करो. वहाँ वाले अगर नहीं लेते फिर मैं मानूंगी भाई हाँ आप सही थे, उनकी गलती है.
Pakistani national Ruba, married to Talib and Indian, were among those impacted by the situation. Ruba was asked to leave the country, leaving her 1-year-old child behind with her husband. Being pregnant, the long wait had also taken a toll on her health. Despite having a visa, however, Ruba was not allowed to take her 1-year-old to Pakistan. Teary-eyed, her sister-in-law Khalida pleaded with anyone willing to listen.
ये बहुत गलत हुआ है. बच्चे पर भी रहम नहीं आ रहा. आप लोगों को जरा सा भी रहम नहीं आ रहा बच्चे पर. वो कैसे रहेगा अपनी माँ के बिना बच्चा? कैसे रहेगा वो बच्चा अपनी माँ के बिना? आप खुद भी तो सोचो. बच्चे को बुखार में पड़ रहा है वो बच्चा. हर एक चीज यहाँ पर गवा है. वो बच्चा डॉक्टर के यहाँ से अभी आया था. इतने भी बेरहम मत बनो. बहुत गलत कर रहे हो. वो माँ कैसे रहेगी? उसकी कंडीशन देखो. आप लोग मर जाएगी यार. वो माँ 10 महीने प्रेग्नेंट है. उसका टाइम हो गया ओवर.
Pakistan on Friday announced that it would continue to allow the use of the Wagah border crossing for its citizens stranded in India, but did not specify if it applies to Indian women who are married to Pakistanis. In wake of last week's Pahalgam terror attack, the Indian government has cancelled all types of visas granted to Pakistani nationals and ordered them to leave the country.